Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where a secondary cold front brings in showers, mainly over the Western Cape. We're also forecasting rain along the west coast, as well as into the Eastern Cape on Sunday, with a cooler day over the southern and eastern parts. Although we're expecting highs a few degrees cooler than Saturday, things stay warm and partly cloudy for KwaZulu-Natal, with a fine and dry forecast over the central and northeastern parts. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of heavy rainfall throughout the shade of amber in the Western Cape, with 50 millimetres of rainfall or more over a 24-hour period. Here's our rainfall probability map, with widespread showers in the Winelands as well as over the southern part of the Western Cape, and a 60% chance of rainfall as we head towards the Northern Cape border. We're forecasting up to a 40% chance of showers over the Eastern Cape. Here's our maximum temperature map, where you'll see quite a divide in those maximums. Still cold for the Western Cape, with highs in the mid-teens. Only 12 degrees for Sutherland and Springbok at 16. 18 for Port Elizabeth and Bishu, but warm as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal. Durban topping 26 and Pietermaritzburg at 27. We stick with that high as we head towards Mbombela and Kimberley. 23 for Johannesburg, with a mild and sunny Sunday in store. 26 for Pretoria, Polokwane and Mahikeng. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected for Alexander Bay and Namaqualand, with moderate wind speeds. Strong winds are forecast for Lambert's Bay and Langebaan. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 4.5 metre southwesterly swell at 16 seconds. Poor beach conditions are expected in the southwest, with a moderate southerly wind for Cape Agulhas and a fresh southeasterly wind for Cape Town. In the southwest, we're expecting quite a large swell of 5 metres from the southwest, with a wave period of 16 seconds. Poor beach conditions are expected over the extreme southern part of South Africa, with a cloudy, wet and cold Sunday in store. A moderate southerly wind is forecast for Mossel Bay, with a southwesterly wind of between 20 and 30 kilometres per hour between Plettenberg Bay and Port Elizabeth, and we're expecting a 4.5 metre swell along the south coast. Poor beach conditions are expected for East London, with the possibility of rainfall. Good beach conditions are forecast though from the Wild Coast all the way through to Richards Bay. Partly cloudy, warm and dry, with a light southeasterly wind in the afternoon. And along the east coast, we'll see a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 16 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.